I just made $43,029.77 in profit, and I didn't need any traffic at all to pull this off, nor did I have to put in any work. Don't believe me? Take a good look at this screenshot. Yes, your eyes aren't fooling you. That's over $43,000 sitting in one of my online accounts. This can be deposited to my bank account at any moment. And as I was saying earlier, I didn't need any traffic whatsoever to make this money. Yup, zero traffic. This means I don't have to mess around with headaches like solo ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, SEO, Bing, or any other traffic source. Now, how would you like to do the same? How would you like to see how we made over $43,000 without the need of any kind of traffic? If you answered yes, then you're going to love what we have in store for you today. See, we've discovered a glitch inside of a $560 billion company, and we've figured out how to exploit it, which allows us to receive $50 to $100 every 30 minutes over and over like clockwork. It's the closest thing to printing money, but it's entirely legal. And here's the best part about this all. We get paid on autopilot because our automated system does the work for us. It's just like a Tesla, but instead of driving itself, this pays us money. While I'm eating dinner, while I'm spending time with my family, heck, even while I'm sleeping. This is all thanks to the world's first zero-traffic income system, Elevate. Elevate is a one-click system that lets us auto-print $50 to $100 every 30 minutes without any traffic, without experience, without waiting, and without hard work. Here's how easy it is to get started. Step 1. Purchase. Click any of the buy buttons right now to get Elevate at the lowest price. Hurry, the price is rising. Step 2. Activate. Create your first Elevate campaign and then activate the auto print technology to exploit this $560 billion glitch. All it takes is just one click. And step 3. Enjoy. We are making thousands of dollars in profits without the need of any traffic whatsoever. This is so easy, a child could do it. Sound like something you could do? Then that's one more reason you need Elevate. If you're tired of logging into your earnings accounts only to see zero profits, then this is your chance to have your breakthrough. Now, I'm guessing you're probably wondering right now, how much will Elevate cost me? Is it going to be expensive? Well, Elevate was originally reserved for our high-paying coaching students who invested a minimum of $2,997. But to celebrate going public, we're going to sell this at a price anyone can afford. Not $2,997, not $997, not $97, not even $27. Just a one-time investment equivalent to a cheap t-shirt grants you full access to Snappy. That's not much to ask for a system that's backed by years of results. And most importantly, it's dead easy to use. You won't find anything else out there like this. But there is a catch. This discount will only be available to the early bird users of Snappy. Frankly, we don't want tire kickers in our community. We want people who take action quickly, because those are people who we can help succeed. With that being said, if you want to access Elevate, if you want to use the same system that lets us auto-print $50 to $100 every single 30 minutes, then don't wait. You've been warned. Get Elevate as fast as you can before we close our doors for good. After all, what's the risk? You're backed by our 365-day money-back guarantee. If Elevate doesn't work for you, we'll simply return your money. Heck, we'll even send you an extra $200 for wasting your time. There is no way for you to lose here, my friend. All you have to do is take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get your hands on Elevate before it's too late. I'll see you inside.